But one thing I never thought about was going big pipes. I told that long, big story all about exhaust. I have no idea why I told that big story, but what's going on, family? How y'all doing today? Hope everybody's doing well. Dropping a new video today. Well, what's it about? We got an unboxing, man. We got some stuff that came in for the 300. A little tired, don't mind me. Energy's not as where it's supposed to be, but that's not your guys' fault. It's my fault. I need to bring it up. But we got some parts for the 300, man, that I'm actually pretty happy about. Let's do it. Let me grab some stuff. If you guys follow me on Instagram, y'all probably seen a post of a box sitting out in front of the house, in front of the garage. Yeah, man. I hope this isn't flipped. Let's sit this right here for now. Got some exhaust stuff. So now let's talk about that real quick. One thing I was, the Chrysler is a V6, and one thing that for myself, I come from a whole line of having V8s, big pipes, the whole nine. When I moved up here, I kind of got wrapped up into what was happening with me career-wise and family stuff. I had a lot of things changing, so I didn't get deep into all my car stuff. I wasn't doing a lot of modifications and things like that. I had a Ford F-150 that I got after. Man, let me back up. Before I had let's go all the way back. My very first car was a Nova. Let's talk about some of the days I had back in the day. I had a 77 Nova, 350 small block. That thing was fast. It was fun. It was orange and rust for the most part. I don't know. First car, I got something that I wanted to run with, but it was big motor, loud, fast, fun. The next big motor car that I got was a Trans Am. In between that, I had a little Datsun 510. It was a nice little ripper. I got it because I liked the wheels that was on it. I put these Z240 wheels on it. It was the small honeycomb wheels. If I could find them, I'll post a picture of them right here. After that, I had this 78 Cutlass Supreme. Man, that car was so fun. Roll like a Cadillac, super smooth. The Cutlass I got a Trans Am, big motor car. 6.0 liter motor, shaker hood. It was fast too. This thing drank a lot of gas. It had a lot of issues. T-tops, black, a lot of issues. But it was a fun car to drive, to be perfectly honest with you. After that, I got a Nissan truck, which was loud. It had exhaust on it, but it was pretty quick. And then I bought a Yukon. I did a lot of stuff to the Cutlass. I did a lot of stuff to I didn't do anything to the Nova. I did a lot of stuff to the 510. I did a bunch of stuff to the Cutlass. I did a bunch of stuff to I didn't do hardly anything to the Trans Am. Trans Am was just nice. It was fun. It just, all I wanted to do was drive it. I did a lot of stuff to the Nissan, lowered it, sound, you name it. Kept that so it was clean. I did a lot of stuff to the when I got my Yukon SRT wheels, big exhaust, big sound. I did a lot of fun stuff. Lights, grill. Man, I just did a lot of stuff to that car, and then somebody stole it. When somebody stole it, it kind of messed with me a little bit. I was gonna buy an Escalade after that, and it just got to a place where I didn't want something that somebody else wanted more than I did, right? So I did. I got a little discouraged. It was right after Katrina. I was in Texas. We relocated to Texas with the military. I was in the Dallas Fort Worth area, and was there for a long time. Went over to the big flea market down there. Somebody got me for my car. It is what it is. I ended up buying this Ford F-150 after that. Put wheels on it, sound, lights. I did a few other things to it also. And it was a fun drive. It didn't look the greatest, but it was fun to drive. It rolled really nice, and it sounded good. And brought it up here as rear-wheel drive and wrecked it. Hit a patch of ice. After that, again, big noise from that car. After that, I just got into a place. I just wanted something that I could drive and just be good. I bought an Infiniti G35 all-wheel drive. It was great up here for the snow and dealing with the weather. It was fast. It was peppy. It was still fun to drive. I raced a lot of people in that car. I did a lot of racing in that car. After that, when it started to die, I got rid of it, and that's when I got my Chrysler after 300. And when I got it, I really got it to have just a real clean, nice car. I wanted a big car, not a little bitty dude. And that G35 was getting kind of cramped. So I was like, especially for a daily driver, 300 was going to be perfect. But one thing I never thought about was going big pipes. I told that long, big story all about exhaust. I have no idea why I told that big story, but the reason why I said that, every V8 that I had dual exhaust, every last one. Even some of the smaller cars had exhaust work done on them that I've had, especially my little Nissan truck. But when I got this one, I never thought about it. You hear a lot of the V6s, they don't sound absolutely great. And there's so many different combinations out there that you can do that doesn't guarantee if the people don't do it right, it's not gonna give you what you're supposed to get, right? Or what you're expected to get. V6 sound like a V6. Some of them are throatier than others, but V6s sound like V6s. My man, car review Foosh, his car sounds good. Everything that I've heard from his exhaust sound really good. A guy over there with the Ronald Wolf, his car sounds good. And he just, last one of his videos, not too long ago, he redid his exhaust. 300, Mopar 300, his car sounds really nice too. He's changed his exhaust, seemed like, I think, a couple of times. But yeah, I found a guy online, and right off the top of my head, I can't remember what his name is. And he did a review on these exhausts, and I'm gonna tell you, I don't know, man, I just thought they sounded very special.
Especially when you do the cold starts, they're really, really, really loud. Especially right now, I don't know why it's so loud. Here, let me give you a couple reps for you guys.
similar setup that he has, and let's see what we got here. I thought I'd do a different way, but I think we're just gonna open it right now so we can see what's in here, so you guys can see what's going on. Right. So I'll open these up, show you what's in here. I'll explain what I believe the setup is going to be like, and then yeah, man. I guess the next video, exhaust video, is going to be the install. But there's one thing that needs to happen before we get there, and I'll explain that in a second. But let me get into this. So this guy right here, we got two of these. One of these is going to go, well, they're both going to replace the mid pipes, right? So the mid mufflers or mid exhaust, they're coming out. These are going in. The muffler or the resonator on the back end comes completely out, straight pipe through to the tips. Let me show you the tips device. Tips. They're gonna come out to the 5-inch tips. So something else has got to happen to make this work the way I want it to work. We all know that 16 Chrysler 300 has a different type of rear balance as well. So we had to order a new one. That one is on its way. I think we should be getting that tomorrow. But first, we're gonna get something done to this. Add some color. After that, we're going to install the balance and then take this thing to the muffler shop. Yeah, that should be fun. Yep, so once we get all that taken care of, I'll have that installed on a day. So on the day that we're getting it installed, we're going to install the balance so that when we get there, all you gotta do is put what is going on. Man, these technical difficulties are driving me. I have no idea what happened. My little gimbal just don't want to hold the phone all the way up all the time. See what happens again. Hold out. Anyway, once we get the tips back from getting some color, then we're going to golly, man, what is going on? I think this gimbal is down. This is driving me crazy. Anyway, we're gonna take this thing to the shop. We're going to install the rear balance. We're gonna get the exhaust installed with it on. So we're gonna be riding a little funky looking, but on the way there, because it's gonna be on it with all the cool stuff. It's not gonna be under the car. But anyway, then check it out. I'm gonna tell you. I'll see if I can find some clips that I can install of what this thing sounds like and put it on the channel, put it on this video in here. But I just think they sound phenomenal. I think it sounds really, really good. It's the deeper sound. As a matter of fact, Greg from Super 6, he did a test drive with one of his buddies' cars. He's got a V6 Challenger. And his video also got my attention. I'm like, man, this thing sounds really, really good. So I think that's gonna be the move, man. I think that's the move. Quick video, not too long. Just wanted to share with you guys this unboxing of what we got for the 300, and then got something else for the Jeep, man. Something else for the Jeep. Last video you guys saw the Jeep is hurt, so we still gotta fix the Jeep. I'm gonna be taking care of that, if not this weekend, early in the beginning of next week. And then I got something else for the Jeep. We gotta button the Jeep up. After we button the Jeep up, I got a couple other things I'm gonna be spinning up and trying to work on and see if I can share with you guys for my Jeep guys. See if this is something that you guys might be interested in. But yeah, I think that's it, man. And my little gimbal act like they don't wanna stay where it's supposed to stay, so we're gonna have to shut this one down. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for stopping by and sharing this video with me. Thank you for the love. Appreciate you guys, all the new subscribers, for hanging out with me. Thank you guys for watching the video all the way through the end. For all that has, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're stopping by, if you like the content. And then yeah, you know how we end it every time, man. You guys were designed from greatness. There's nothing about you